Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see uh, the Catia pad complete feature options. So for explaining that feature, I have created these parts. Uh, these are the properties that I have created for explaining that all the options. First we'll take an pad and I will sketch. I'll sketch an square and I'll give a dimension of 50 by 50. And so here the first option is dimension. So whatever the dimension will give, it will extrude as per that dimension. And the second option is up to next. So for giving up to next, you can see whichever the part or the body is there, it will extrude up to that body. So that is called up to next option. And up to last is, if any body is there in front of that one also, it will reach up to the maximum condition. Up to the last body it will extrude. See, up to last means it is extruding up to here. If I give up to next means it is extruding up to here. And up to plane is, if you have some plane or planar surface, both are fine. So you need to select that face. I will select this face. As you can see, it is extruding up to here. Okay, so that is this up to plane option. And up to surface is, so you need to pick one surface. For that I have created this surface. I will select this surface. As you can see, the extrude has taken as per that surface. If I give preview, as you can see, so these are the four options in this. And in that one more option is highlighted. When we give up to next or up to last, up to plane, for up to plane it is not highlighting. For up to surface it will highlight. And also for up to plane, if you select the plane, it will highlight this offset option. For dimension, it will not offset, not highlight. So I will give up to surface and I'll select this surface. So when I increase the value of an offset, because of the curvature, okay, now you can see the end termination surface is extruding, offsetting as we give this dimension. So if you want the offset to inside, you can give the values in negative. As you can see, it is offsetted inside. Okay, so all the options in this are clear now, and this is also clear. And the offset sketch we have selected, and this thick option, if we give thick, now the body will be in shell condition, same like using a shell. The inside it will be hollow and only the walls will be there. The thick dimensions will give here. Okay, so from our sketch it is offsetting 5 mm the outer face. If you want to offset inside also, sorry, this one was offsetting inside, so this is offsetting outside. Okay, so now in case you don't want this to give separate values. You want to give only one value, means you can make it, you can select neutral fiber. So only one thickness one will be highlighted, and if you increase that one, total thickness will be taken equally. So 4 mm this side and 4 mm this side, so total 8 mm is taken. This is just like a mirror extent that I will explain. So these two are understood now, and this one is also understood. Now I'll remove this thick option, and I'll give dimension for 25 just to explain this one. Now I will select mirror extent. Okay, so if I am giving a dimension, it is equally extruding this side and this side. So in Catia, if I have given 25 mm on mirror extents, then the total extrude is 50 mm. Okay, then I'll remove this mirror extent option. Now only one side it is getting extruded. If I give reverse direction, the direction of extrude will be reversed. Okay, and this is the second limit. If you want to give different extrude dimensions towards the other side, you can use the second limit option, and this thing will be same. If you have any other surface, you can give it up to surface. So whatever things I explained here, same thing works here. And this is clear, and this normal to surface. This is, first I'll make it 0 just to explain clearly. Okay, we'll make it the reverse direction. So now whatever the extrude is happening, it is happening normal to the profile, means perpendicular to our profile. Even though if it is extruding this side or this side, it is extruding normal to our profile, which means perpendicular. If I want to change the extrude direction, I can click here and select any reference edge. So that's why I created this line. If I click here, as you can see, this is extruding as per this edge. Okay, so this is clear, and this merge ends. For that I have created one more. So rest everything is clear, only this merge end I will explain. For this I have created one more sketch. So now you can see my sketch is not connected to any others, any sides. I'll give extrude, select this edge, and I'll give thick option. Now this is highlighted. If you are not checking this, you will get the result like this. Okay, if I check this, so both the edges will be merged to the nearest body like this. So that is this option. So everything is clear in pad Catia. Thank you.